What are some of the tests that we do on our safety footwear to make them pass the Australian standards? Hey guys, I'm Kent, the podiatrist from docpods and Ergonx, and some of the questions that we get asked around our composite toe cap protective work boots are, what tests get done on the composite toe cap to make sure they pass the Australian standards? Now, there's two that we actually do, or there's a lot of tests that we do, but the two main ones that we do are the crush test and also the impact test. Now, the impact test is a point impact, so we drop a striker on the front of the boot, and what it is, it's for a 200 joule impact. Now, a 200 joule impact is like dropping a 20 kilo weight with a point force from 1 meter, or a 10 kilo weight from 2 meters. So it's quite a bit of force going through, because it goes through this really focal point on the protective cap of the work boot. So it has to pass that standard. And the other test is we do a 15 kilonewton compression test. Now, 15 kilonewtons is around about 1.5 tons of crush pressure. So about getting run over by a forklift on the front of the toe. So the boots have to pass both of these standards and leave minimum clearances inside the work boot. So our work boots have a composite toe cap. So it does a very similar job to the steel toe cap, but the composite toe cap is about 40% lighter. It's cooler in summer, warmer in winter, so it's a better insulator. So it helps to thermally regulate the inside of your boot. And it just, by not having such a heavy toe cap in the front of the boot, it won't weigh down the front of the boot and strain the muscles on the front of your legs. So they're the two tests, the two major tests that we do on our composite toe work boots to make sure that they'll pass the Australian standards and, more importantly, protect your feet on the work site.